Hello Scorpions, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Wish Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS, Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading, okay? And this is going to be right from 14th June till 20th of June 2021, though timeless. General vibes, so may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time, okay? There is this letter, kind of like I heard we, but it's also W-E. We, okay, but being victorious and something connected with we. There is this different approach, like a new approach to something in your life, okay? And new approach may be connected with your relationship or your connection or your work area, however it resonates as in your general circle. But I feel like Scorpions are going through with a different approach in order to get just victory on we, W-E. Someone you are connected, something that you so want. I also see there's birth of new leaf. There's a single fresh leaf like on a tendril, okay? And there is like birth of love, birth of this matter, which to me feels fresh, and it's like getting proper guidance, proper light. So there's this blessing of sun. There's this birth, okay? Birth, actual birth, possible happening, because there's this big tree, but I saw the tendril, there's this branch obviously, and then from the tendril there's a leaf, okay? For some of you, fresh approach to something connected with your past energy, to your memory, you're feeling fresh, you're feeling rejuvenated here, or collecting the energy in order to combine everything to be with someone. So this may be your childhood memories, to your, something connected with your upbringing and the place you were. This may be something connected with the renovation part as well. Some of you are renovating your childhood home, like where you used to be, or you're just visiting your place to your mother, father, if it is concerned around that area. This may say a lot of stuff, but I also feel resurgence, of course. This may be, okay, and this may be with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So I'm seeing this with you. It's very amazing because you have the cards of like resurgence of someone from your past having the same moment and then having the reunion in order to have fortunate events, okay? So some of you are going to have fresh approach. We, victory of we, W-E. People are winning here, lovers are winning here, partners are winning here, or some of you who are going through that graph is now in the right frame or time frame to be together. Okay, this is reunion successful. I heard reunion successful. Or possible someone's going to express something to someone in order to get in contact or get back in contact with the person. This will be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Okay, these three cards wanted to come out. I'm going to see. So some of you are connecting with an Aquarius, or some of you connect with this person on a different level. So this may be someone who is from some field, specialization possible. This may be your own energy, but I feel this is the person you are connecting who is from a specialized field. They may be an astrologer, or they may be from a healing world. They may be reading crystal, like, looking at the crystal, gazing and all that stuff, or they work with crystals, candles, tarots, someone from this field, and they give you that kind of energy as well. So you really want to talk to someone, and they may give you this particular energy of okay, but then someone will express, and I don't know how it's going to go, because this is the energy of like you want it. You want it, and if this is resurgence, so yes, for many of you it's your reunion, and it's going to be good, and it's after patience. It's something that you were waiting for the right time to get in contact with someone, and it's going to happen. For some of you, this is 7 to 8 years of relationship, okay? And this, of course, you know them. Someone's gonna make offer to someone after this, okay? Someone is cracking up, getting awakened. I'm not taking that card though, but let's see. So your energy overall is about working on this matter. You just want to have this fresh start with someone, fresh hello, fresh hi, and all that stuff. Yes, some of you are reuniting with your person, and this is happening after a big pause in your life. You've been not desperately, you've been patiently waiting, I feel. And there's this smile on your face when this is happening. Okay, this is happening because 7 of Wands energy you have reverse. The call is pick up, and the pickup is there. Kind of like pick up energy, pick up call. They're going to reciprocate. Someone's going to reciprocate, and this energy is this. Okay, quite fascinating because like someone's guards are down now. There's no push and pull. There's a little bit of space that someone can seep in, and I feel that. Okay. No more drag to certain situation. To see in your future. Okay. The arguments that you had, it's going to end. Like I cannot bear that responsibility of like having that burden on my shoulders all the time. I have to say it, okay? Scorpions, desiring to connect with the person. So on the deep level, what your deep level is. Okay, you found the one, I found the one. Okay, 9 of Pentacles reverse. Someone is ready to commit here, okay, and also making an offer, or you know, taking on the offer. You are receiving it, or you're making it and they're receiving it. Someone is saying it's the last time we need to talk so that we can make major decisions in our life. Someone doesn't want to be free. Basically, they want to get mingled. Okay, so someone's guards are down and they want to say yes, possible. Okay. Someone is ready to hear. So it can go vice versa, but they're ready to hear. They're ready to hear, and this is about they're ready for the equality, or they're ready to talk on the common grounds. And it's like, okay, let's create that base. We feel the same for one another. There's equal feelings, I feel, and someone is being generous in order to provide that space of reunion and talk. I feel some of you are getting engaged, or you're making the proposal, getting involved, dating, again dating possible with the same person whose guards are down now, and they are ready to think about the matter in the future. Scorpions. And it's like you're saying, for the sake of us, it's like I want to give this equal relationship, equal chance. At the right time, something you're going to get, like answer, approach. Okay, fine. How long we can drag, how long we can avoid it. Okay. They're ready to talk. They're ready to talk. Very clear. Okay, someone is ready here to take out whatever is in their heart. Basically, it's also about, you may talk via text or something. However this resonates and fits your situation. There is something that you need to know, or there is something that they need to know. Now again, this is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I feel the approach is about so clear. Someone is taking stand for themselves. They're not going to bear this crap or shit. Whatever happened, whatever deception was, cheat, betrayal, someone's going to clear the stuff out, whatever is in their heart, whatever they felt, because they cannot carry out this relationship unless and until this part is clear that was in your past. Okay, so however this, if you had something, you are going to clear it. Someone who is hiding or did hid things, it's going to be cleared out. That makes the sentence. Communication is happening. Communication, conversation, fast communication is happening. Believe it, it's going to happen here. And this is about clearing the matter. Okay, they are not going to keep anything inside. I feel if they have to, like, you know, get back with you or commit to you or answer you or being equal, they want you to clear out the stuff. Clear out the stuff. It's 9 of Swords energy. This relationship or situation, whatever is with you, they are not ready to linger on with this anxiety. Okay? Now, they are going to speak, or you are going to speak the truth, which is going to be cold. They got affected so much because of this. Okay? I'm having this energy of For some it's going to be positive, but for some this is like energy of like they're not ready to commit to you. They have feelings and they had feelings. They might open up, but they might not be ready. Why? Because they feel that you lied to them, if you lied to them, and they were caused so much of pain and anxiety because of whatever happened. Why they took break, why they took retreat, okay? It's like why they were gone. This is Knight of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and they're looking forward for better plans, but you're also approaching them. But whatever is happening, they might be having like, this is going way fast. If this is going way fast, then they have doubt issues. They are wounded, okay? Or if this is you, you are wounded. If both of your situation is kind of same, because you are also getting affected, then you have to make someone ready here. With love, with originality. I feel this person is seeking originality here. Originality of and the real purpose behind it, okay? Like they have this, is it safe for you to love? Because someone does want to marry someone if you're not married. There's this urge I see to get married and to get involved. Soulmate, okay? So some of you know this person, obviously. Yes, this is your soulmate. Someone does want to marry someone here. I feel that. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Someone is way positive here. Honey, you know, that kind of, honey, your mind does game in Cancerian reading. I don't know, possibly you're dealing with the one. However, I did it just prior, so maybe those words came out. Make the effort. Right effort, make the effort. Who is doing this? Great love with, I'm unable to say great love what? Lilith, love it. Okay. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Make the effort. There's this situation in your future coming. Calling in your soulmate. Someone being calling this and it's coming true. Your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. Are we in exclamations? Yes. Are you in exclamations, Scorpions? I heard yes from some soul. Because there is something coming up in your future. Look, sweetheart. There is something coming up. Someone writing to someone, you to them, them to you. Doesn't matter male, female energy here. Love is love, however it fits you. Ooh. Ooh. Lilith. Lilith, where you gone? House. This is about someone who is feeling or want to feel you home. The call is when you're going to enter. The call is when they are going to enter. This may be the place you're going to be together in order to discuss this, or you were prior there. Haughtiness. It's about the pride. First thing. It's about the colors that you show to the person or the colors that they are showing. Someone is entering. Okay? Someone is having so much of pride and confidence, whoever is entering. And they do not get lured with whatever the mansion or the palace or the big hotel. No. This is house. You are going to make someone meet with someone who might be someone older, old woman. It's like the meeting which is so important for you in order to decide something in your future. It's respect. So, respect. Giving someone respect that they deserve. Giving them that right that they deserve. Not hiding anything. And telling, I love this person, I love this woman, I love this man. And standing by one another. Which is so important. Right? The last card. Release the message. It is safe for you to love. Wow, interesting. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Then you have reconciliation, which goes with 6 of Cups energy and 2 of Cups vibe, so strong. Reconciliation, someone from your past is returning to your life. You're bringing them, or you people are coming together. 2 of Cups, someone is open to receive. Say it before it's too late, honey. This is your chance. Just go ahead, make good impression, and that impression should be on reality. There's a reality check happening. Just be light, just be you, genuine and clear. Okay? I hope it's going to help you. I love you. See you soon. Bye.